So I have to use my watch to do it, but seal's not broken. This is the one that he pulled out, and you can see it was probably wired backwards. So let's find it out. And again, this is what is called non-destructive failure analysis, which means we don't break any part to make our initial analysis. That part will come later. I'm not editing because it's continuity of chain of custody of evidence, etc. Blah 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 blah. Still need a few more turns. Still same one. See, as you can tell, when you open it. Okay, interesting. So we show some heat marks. Let's go ahead and just tighten these. Actually, let's go ahead and remove these. And this. So that goes there, that goes there. And just to show you real quick, this is the line that's supposed to be coming in from the breaker, i.e. line, and then load goes out there. You have your black and your white, or I mean your white and your black. Sorry, I was reading blanc eye. Anyway, so and Leviton is a fun one to disassemble. Let's undo these. Oh, we got that button to go. Interesting. So let's just go. Oh no, I thought it moved. And normally these, well, when you get to it, it will. Actually, you know what? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Because there's a few different ways you can disassemble these. So let's go this way. I just didn't want to totally. So as we can see though, oh come on, I need my watch in front of me. Where's the camera? Okay. Forward, back, down. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely some no bueno. And I'll take photos of these parts, but where's my finger? There. See how it's nice and discolored? Here and up here. And it's always the LEDs flickering. So let's go ahead and just take a quick gander. Yeah, that one is also a little bit on the fried side. And we'll get photos. We'll get photos of that you can clearly see it's cooked. Now we're gonna go ahead and unscrew these ones. We come back here, we want to keep you in frame. And we unscrew these so that way it will come out. Because otherwise it won't come out. Don't ask me why. I mean, I know why, but I think it's proprietary, which is why I'm not saying that. So we're going to put that back like that. We're going to put this one. Oh, there's a yuck in there. So the test does move. It's just, for some reason, got itself locked up. Let's go back this way. Sometimes you can get it to separate nicely, sometimes no. And that one's not gonna want to separate. So let's go ahead and break our seal. We should never do it that way, but that's just how it is. And I have other things I need to be doing today, so I'm not too thrilled about having to do this. I want to just make sure. This might be one that you can't take apart without doing some further disassembly. Really all I want to see is the internal components, but at the same point I'm not going to destroy it to get it to work or get it to show.